Homelander. How was LA? Did you catch Nat's truth bomb?
I did indeed. And it was a real barn burner. Well done.
Thank you, sir. That means the world.
How's sex with my father? Is he good at it? Are you thinking about me when you're making love to him?
I never meant to cross the line or offend you. And...
No. Don't fret, little one. I don't care about the sex. Really. But I do care about your little chats after sex.
Sir, whatever Soldier Boy told you, I can assure you that I...
You mean your inner turmoil when it comes to me and Jesus? Are you thinking of Jesus when you're praising me?
No, you are my one and only savior.
You say that, but your jagged little heart is whirring like a hummingbird. You're supposed to worship me. Love me. And me alone.
I do.
I believed in you. Turns out, you don't believe in me. I need you to collect your things and leave.
But I do believe in you. I love you. I'm the only one here who ever has. I gave you everything. I gave you my soul. And everybody else here, they're just scared of you. Or they want something from you. But I have always loved you for you. Just the strongest, smartest, best man on earth.
Man.
No. God, no. The God. My Lord. That look you used to get when you'd suckle me. I felt like Mother Mary herself. I felt blessed to nourish someone as important as you. But nothing I ever did was good enough, was it? You cast me out into the cold, which was so much worse than never feeling your warmth in the first place. So all I have been trying to do is to get you to see me the way that you used to. Hell, the only reason I was with Soldier Boy was because your reflected light is better than no light at all. Please, sir. I love you. We all need love, don't we? Even God.